What you don't want as a test approach, and you don't mention this because it is really, really important. So the options that you've got, once you understand your users, and think of it this way, you may have a list of 10 iOS devices, and then a list of 10 Android devices and 2 tablets, one on iOS, one on Android. First approach could be manually purchase those devices. The disadvantage to this approach is it costs a lot. There's an admin, there's a maintenance piece. And then also you probably will have to keep getting these devices nonstop. Second alternative, and this is one that I've pushed towards because I've got fed up of all the admin that I've had to put in myself. It's to use a cloud-based testing tool. And my personal favorite, and this is me personally, not tied to any of my roles, is Lambda Test. And the main reason for me why I've enjoyed using Lambda Test, the devices are highly available. So they've always been there. If they're not going to be there, there's been a clear status screen saying your devices are available and this is why, and this is when it will be back. So that's been great. Next one is actually the speed. So actually using the devices, it's been quick. I haven't had any performance issues, so that's been good for me. Next one is the latest devices are available. So one thing for me, it's very hard to keep up in the industry and actually see this device is now available. I like the fact that I'm being told by Lambda Test that this device is now available. So that takes a bit of admin off me, a bit of stress off the team. And then also it's very easy to configure via an automation suite. So I'll be very honest, I haven't touched code for some time. I'm very rusty. And if you saw me touching code, you'd probably have a heart attack. So actually being able to configure this easily is very good. So as an example, so I think Doug has just mentioned it, we use Test Cafe. So we write our tests in JavaScript and TypeScript, and we can integrate with Lambda Test very easily. And we can just basically update one line of code, and I'll let Harshit get to this when it comes to his part. But yeah, for me, it's been very, very easy.